Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explaining how to connect your PC with another PC. So let's get started to this video. So I hope this video is helpful. So please like this video and subscribe our channel. So now get started to this video. So now click on start button and search remote desktop. Okay guys, now click start button and search remote desktop connection. Okay, so this is remote desktop connection. So I check my another PC with task manager. So this PC I will show task manager. Okay, then performance and Ethernet. So this is the IPv4 address 192.168.1.8. so my another PC the same network, just put change 192.168.1.15. so now it's just 8 and another PC may 15. so I am connect 192.168.1.15. so this is my another PC and just I connect and this is username, then I type username and password. So connect and don't ask me again and click yes, and I am connect my another PC on my laptop. So this is my another PC, and if you want just same internet connection, and this is my another PC and 192.168.1.15. so this is the my PC, and now I am connect on my PC with my laptop. So I control fully my PC on my laptop. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, share this video. So subscribe our channel. So goodbye.